Good stimulus Tuesday morning. AIG, of course, needs more money. GM, we already know, has come back for more money 3 or 4 times. What happens in the fail nation is all these guys keep coming back for money, more money. Futures up about 10. The low last night, we did touch the low, 739, so we bounced double bottom. Everybody, all the amateur technicians can all see the double bottoms, head and shoulders. Guess what, folks? Who cares? None of those charts mean anything. Price is the only thing that matters. We have Intervention Nation continuing today. We have Bernanke starting his testifying for the next 2 days in front of Congress and doing his FOMC and BS, song and dance. Tomorrow we have the same thing. So I expect 2 slow days again. And we have Obama talking tonight to the nation, trying to squelch the continued just cry out to stop the intervention. But instead he continues to intervene and let us know that he's on it and continuing to look at things. Folks, just do something. Tell them you're not going to do anything. That'd be the best thing you could do. Say we're going to step away. Let those that are going to fail. We'll pick ourselves up. Private equity markets will take care of the slack. And we won't do 40 to 1 anymore on these investment banks. They're already out of business. Let them go. Let them go. Let all these regional banks that are going to fail because they lent too much, not to their local constituents, but they lent everywhere else in the world and the country so they can get part of this credit bubble. Let them fail. The stocks are already trading like they're going to, so let them. The market's already speaking. There's no reason to let all these home builders that are nationally fail. Let them fail. It's okay. It's okay. You pick yourself up, country. You'll pick yourself up, USA. Don't be afraid of failure. Failure leads to the next success. Don't forget that. Anyways, again, 749 pivots up at 759, 760. I would be short today up to really 768. Nothing has changed. We were, big point range yesterday. Really, you're talking 45 points. So if we stay in that same range, I could see a 725 area on the low today and a 768 on the high, somewhere in that range if we stick to those levels. That's kind of what I'm coming in looking at. So I'd probably take a stab on the long side down to 725 and probably sell up to 766 as we continue to go lower. Again, you want to see higher highs before you want to get long this market. That would mean right now, again, somewhere over 800 before I'm even going to think about getting long. We'll probably wake up one morning and already be there, and then you can get long, but the gap will come. But wait for that gap. Wait for the move, and then the pullback before you start running into this market. There is absolutely no hurry when you have intervention coming all day, every night in this market. It's very difficult to trade a market even when there is no intervention. And now you've got this outside influence that's in there every single day meddling with the free markets. So until this changes, just trade them, stay small, and be safe out there. Again, this is not a market for buy and hold, sell and hold. It is a trader's market. It will continue to be this way for years. So if you don't understand the trade, learn by somebody who can teach you, and learn it as quickly as you can, or stay out of the market and stay cash. Cash is not trash. Matter of fact, if you were buying stocks all the way down since November of 2007, you, my friend, are in the world of hurt. You're losing, anywhere 65%, just indexed, allocated. All right, you got 8 allocated funds, and you're buying them, and you're buying them all the way down. You're down 65%. Yes, we'll bounce, and that 20% bounce won't get you back to 55%. So it's just ridiculous that money managers tell you to keep invested on this type of slaughter, and it's really a travesty. Again, this is a perfect example of check yourself, check your money manager. This is not the time to be talking about it. You should have been talking about it a year and a half ago when the market was at its high. Hey, when do we get out? When do we sell? It's always the answer. How much risk do we take? Is it 10%, 20%, 30%? Sure shouldn't be 60%. Now it's 60%. You got to make back 100 and a quarter just to get to even. That's a long way away, my friends. A long way. That'll take a decade. All right. Peace. Have a good day. Check yourself. Check your money manager. Find one that is on the same page with you, and be good out there.